finally came in. Wild Specialties. Finally came in. Yeah, let's go open this up and let's see how it is. Let's go open this up, see what this look like. So this is all the wiring harness I got, all brand new. Looks very, very crispy. And I think I get the five ground link harness. Damn, very, very detailed. And then we got some stickers too, pretty sick. More stickers. Shout out to Wild Specialty. Thank you. So yeah, finally got it in. Sorry it's a short video, and also yeah, hopefully the next video we can get this started. And then I got some 86 content that it was 86 day. I'll put that on the next clip, do some b-rolls on the cars. But other than that, cool. Thanks for watching, and hopefully the next video we'll get this started.
pops and I be rocking it when I be in your vicinity. All style synergy, recognize symmetry. Corks out of engine me, broke them down chemically. Ain't the number tendency, talking about hopping I be. Styled it like Kennedy, late like a 10 to 3. When I stay, when I be, girl safe and I keep cause